Hi, my name is Adam. I'm a software engineer for the Sparrowhawk project at Canadian UAVs. Sparrowhawk is a cost-effective, easily deployed detect and alert system that acts as a critical enabler for beyond visual line of sight drone operations. In 2020, Sparrowhawk received its initial approval from Transport Canada, and by 2022, we received a nationwide BVLOS waiver for operations in uncontrolled airspace below 400 feet. Since then, we've expanded operations across multiple countries in North America and Europe, helping operators achieve their goals. Our radar system is capable of detecting small manned aircraft up to 12 nautical miles away and 6,000 feet above the ground level. Until now, Sparrowhawk has relied on a single radar and ADS-B sensor to present relevant data to operators. We're now completing a powerful networking capability which will allow Sparrowhawk to pull information from multiple radars and ADS-B sensors and combine them into one single display for operators to view. This advancement will significantly extend Sparrowhawk's capabilities and coverage, enabling drone operations such as border surveillance, drone corridors, and wide area monitoring in urban environments. Sparrowhawk delivers the situational awareness and safety assurance you need to operate BVLOS with confidence. At Canadian UAVs, we're committed to supporting our customers and helping them succeed in the rapidly evolving drone ecosystem. We look forward to connecting and learning about your BVLOS needs and helping you succeed them.